This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Morris. End-unit condo in Aquarina Beach and Country Club. Expansive balconies overlooking the ocean, Indian River. Located on the 7th floor, featuring the largest floor plan in the building. Gated, private elevator to your unit, granite countertops and automated blinds. Private deeded beach access, community beach club, fitness center, community boat ramp, dock, fishing pier, golf and tennis. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Morris at 321-308-3258.